Malo soy fu, everyone. I came across this quote and I wanted to share it. Let's read it and then we'll break it down. Esiliaku le kalangoa lele, nailo le fingao. Awao le fa moe moengo le fingaunga, o le fai po o ae sao. Ao le fa moe moengo le kalangoa, o le fia iloa I le mea e sao. Discussion is better than arguing because the purpose of an argument is to see who's right, while the purpose of a discussion is to find out what's right. Esiliaku is better. Le kalangoa lele is good discussion. Kalangoa being discussion and lele is the description word coming after the action. Nailo le fingao, than to argue. Awa o le fa moe moenga, because the purpose o le fingaunga of the argument. Notice fingao is the verb or the action word to argue, and then we add the ga to make the noun fingaunga or argument. O le fai po o ae sao, who's right? Ao, while le fa moe moenga o le kalangoa, the purpose of the discussion, o le fia iloa I le mea e sao, the want to know the right thing. So if you have something you want to discuss, you exchange ideas, agree to disagree if need be, and respect where the other person's coming from. But when it turns into an argument, go fa, ka kila love mo lava ngo, ma ko.